Hi everyone, my name is Mosby and today's video is going to be a wig review. Yay! I love wigs. I wear wigs all the time, especially lately. It's my go-to because nobody got time for the natural hair. I love my hair, but it's just a lot. Cause now I still gotta think about washing my hair, and I still gotta think about, like, I feel like my hair needs some good old deep conditioner, and yeah, let's just say that I don't have time for that, for a whole day worth of washing my hair, even though I have sort of kind of summarized it to like only a few hours now. I'm pretty proud of myself. But anyways, this is not about that. I've actually been using this wig about 6 months now. Is it 6 months? That's a lie, from the pits of hell. More like since October. Yes. And I love it because it's been like my go-to wig. Like, it's no stress. It's not too long. It's not too short. And this is pretty much, okay, the wig. But I'll put it on so you guys can see it. It is, it's actually called the Permanent Rooted Tip Curls 4.5 inches deep middle part. It's actually a lace front wig. And so yes, when this wig came, yay, I haven't found her name yet. I'm thinking more like, looks like a, I don't know yet. Okay, maybe like a Adriana type wig. It just, maybe not. I'll come up with that name. Well, y'all could just, you know what I'm saying, come up with the name and put it down below for me so I can name her. I've pretty much cut the lace. I actually went to a friend of mine because I was a little nervous about cutting the lace myself. But I went to her and she helped me cut the lace. Yay! And so I was able to put it on, and then it was actually pretty easy to put on. Let me just tell you the stats really quickly, okay? So like I said, it's a lace front wig, so you had to cut the lace, okay? It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the sides, so 2 on the sides, 1 up top, and then the other one is below, obviously at the, you know, nape of your, at your nape right here. And then it also comes with a strap, which straps are always great. Honestly, I've only been using it with the straps, to be honest with you. I haven't necessarily like sewed it. Oh yeah, so the package actually also came with elastic band. I didn't use that yet. I haven't used it yet. I think I'm still gonna go ahead and use it, but we'll see. Okay, this is pretty good. It's very soft, and like I said, I've been using it for, yeah, consistently, I would say 2 months now. Consistently, even though I got it in October, I would say I've been using it literally since, yes, since December, very early December. It's actually, like I said, pretty soft. It's not hard at all. As far as, you know, washing it and stuff, I've washed it so many times with shampoo and conditioner. And so yes, I'll go ahead and put this on for you, and you could see what it looks like, and then I'll let you know how I fix it up, if that makes sense. Okay, meanwhile, just so you know, I've added foundation to the lace part without the show. Okay, and it does, like I said, it did come with the middle part, but I like to wear mine side part. Okay, so we'll see how that looks. And so this is it, even without me doctoring it up or anything. It's very easy for the curls to come back on. All I have to do is spray water. But before that, I want to go ahead and show you guys what it look like with the middle part. It doesn't look bad. I honestly love the hair, middle or side. I think I'm just used to side. The side part is life for me, so it's hard to like keep it middle part. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and doctor it up. Not that it takes much to doctor, but yes, what is this? This is bomb. Okay, so I have my, it's literally just water in here, my goodie spray bottle. I've literally had this for years, and you just want to make sure this is up. And again, people use the gots to be glue on this. People also, like I said, use the elastic band, but I don't use any of them. I actually tried to use the That's to Be glue on my hair before. It was really itchy. I couldn't do it, so I just washed it off. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Okay, and I don't know if you could tell, but as I'm literally spraying it, the curls are coming back. Like, it doesn't really take much for this hair. It's literally a get up, spray and go type hair. Okay, so you want to make sure you don't, of course, add too much water so it doesn't drip drip drip. It's pretty much what I do on a daily with this hair. I don't have a problem with wearing it out. And of course, just so we are very mindful, you notice like the first time I put it on my head, that's how puffy. I like big hair, so puffy is not a problem for me, but that is how like wild it can get. And this is it. And like I said, this is it. With the shedding, it doesn't shed as bad as my other wigs, or like wigs I've tried or wigs I've had in the past. So with everything I just did right now, I only have this one piece of shedding. Yes, I literally only have this. Oh no, I'm lying. I have two. Is it? Yep, I have two. Yep. Oh no, I have three. So the only other way, I would say that the only way like I see shedding is when I use a brush to brush it through, or even if you have to use your finger to finger it, you know, finger detangle it. I don't finger comb my hair. I really don't. I feel like if anything, I do use a brush to do it, and so you will see like a couple of strands on it, but it's not, this is not a lot of shedding. This is not one of those hair that you'd be concerned to walk out the house and you would like have to pick up. No, this is not it. It's actually pretty good, and like I said, I've had it and I've worn it for months and it's literally just fine for me. I hate overshed hair. I do like puffy hair, so when this hair, if this side, you know, gets a little puffy, like when I put it on, that's about how puffy it can get. I don't have a problem with those kind of things. Yes, I think that's pretty much the stats. I will leave all the stats down below. My question of the day, which I want to start, would be, what length of wigs or weave do you prefer? Long, short, or medium? And I would try to put out another wig review. If you guys are interested in it, please like this video. Hello guys, my name is Mope and I am coming to you after 6 years, but I'm back, okay?